Push.
America got a thing for the skinks to shit. Black truckers,
I'm done. Boys, I'm on fucking fire and I'm loving it, so come on. Right then, boys, London session, day 3 of turning $2,000 into $10,000. We've currently made nearly 1.5k at a 6% win rate in the past 24 hours of trading. So, anyway, got France 40 on the left, UK 100 on the right. Market opens in 15 seconds. So yeah, man. Let's put there. Right, market has just opened. Like I say, UK 100 on the right. I'm going to look to take this UK 100 position. Just going to give it a second here. I could just straight reverse, if I'm honest with you. France 40 is also coming down. Right, I'm in on UK 100. Now, I could have waited and taken it off of this level, but I feel like we had quite a bit to go. And the volume was definitely there. But this could, like I said, just reverse, but it will be what it will be. And let's set a stop loss data. Confirm. So stop loss is now set. We'll also set a take profit as well. Boom. So now it's just sitting and waiting for the course to play out like we've been doing every single day, every single morning, every single afternoon. The same thing over and over again. Literally, boys, I'm doing this for you as much as myself, right? Because I know that this is the shit. When you find a system and you can understand the probabilities, the data, but I keep going on about it. Boys, there's a reason why I've just gone from fucking blowing and never getting a payout and can't flip or make any dough on an account, and then all of a sudden it's just like fucking 7k a week, 10k a month and all this shit. So I hope this shit's helping, because it's helping me. I'm now gonna go break even. So France 40 is still not yet made a move. Now I'm just gonna put all my attention onto UK 100 as a pair and then just sit. As you can see now, it's stalling. This is where a lot of people are like, oh, I want to get out and all this shit. But boys, I'm teaching you how to hold your trades, how I've learned how to hold my trades. If this breaks us even, it's absolutely fine, because we just know overall the edge will take place. All right. Looking like we're going to get a break even here. It's gone to the 1 minute. Gets a bit more interesting, doesn't it? Hold the fucking trade. I'm not now getting out now because it's got to a point where it resisted and couldn't get past before. I'm following a system and doing the same thing every single day. Most of you are about, oh shit, but it's found a 1 minute resistance and it can't break past it. Oh, there must be some level back here. Fucking shut up. If it breaks us even, it breaks us even at this point, boys. Like I say, boys, if you do want to use the same broker as me, as you can see, here's all the stats so far. If you do want to use the same broker, I'm literally, if we make profit on this trade, on this very trade, if we make the $600, I'm going to withdraw it and put it into this wallet straight away, like I've been doing every single trade. So if you do want to trade on the same broker on Trade Locker with me as well, in the description, boys. Right, go on then, push. Almost there. So close. Honestly, boys, being able to hold my trades is the reason why I've found so much success in the recent months. Genuinely, because I'm able to just sit here and hold the shit. Whereas before, I used to be all like fidgeting and all this crazy shit. Whereas now I'm just like, let's do this. Go on. Boom. Oh my god, it literally just hit it, innit? Are you fucking joking, mate? It literally just hit it. That was like a fucking... Go on. Fucking take profit smash. See that, boys? Held that shit. And that right there is exactly how I've been going from fucking not being able to trade, not being able to take money out of the market, not being able to fucking take a profit at all. And now, because I'm able to hold my trade, go break even when I should go break even, and just not exit early. So I'm letting my winners run, and I'm cutting my losses quick. That's how you fucking do it, man. Bro, that's how you fucking do it right there. I've literally had 0 losses this entire month on London session. And I'll tell you, man. Alright, boys, some time has just passed, and I've just posted my Instagram story for the result. I'm literally posting it in a highlight on Instagram every single trade, every single day. So if you want to see that, follow me on Instagram. But as I've done that shit, right? Do you know how we were sat here and I was like, oh, all this like, oh, do I get out? And all this scared fear shit that people, including myself, would usually do. I mean, look, bro, what do you mean? Like, when you actually backtest and live forward test every single day in the market on a single pair and realize that, like, yo, if you actually just take your emotions out of it, like that 1 to 3 or that 1 to 2 that a lot of you may go for, actually plays out way more than you thought, but also like goes way beyond. So like when I see this, when I'm like 1 to 3, 1 to 3 to some people sounds like fucking holding an eternity. But then I see this now and I'm like, I posted an Instagram story and it's now just basically clicked to 1 to 6, which is double. It's like, come on. So yeah. Alright, boys, so on that trade, we just made $665 profit. Now we risked $200 on that trade to make $666. So look, when we go through this so far, look at all the wins. 600 minus 200, 600 minus 200, 600, 600. The reason why this is so powerful is because my wins are literally 3 times the size of my losses. Okay then, boys, so looking at the statistics, we've currently doubled the account already within 1 day of trading, or 2, right? 66% win rate so far. We've not had a losing day. As you can see, UK 100, 3 trades, NASDAQ 3 trades. So between 6 trades, we've completely just fucking doubled the account already. Are you fucking serious? I literally didn't even record any of that. Oh, for fuck's sake. I literally just took 2 L's back to back and I didn't record it. I'll be real with you. 2 L's, just lost $400. Now, is this candle going to be the candle to make us hit break even, or is this the candle that we're waiting for to save us? Because these levels are very like potent right now. Well, price is struggling to break below, and we could just simply just come all the way up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Push, 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 push. Keep pushing. Oh my god. Are you fucking dumb? Trees! I'm not gonna lie, boys. We actually just slapped a 1 to 4. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually just broke my rules. We slapped a 1 to 4. I need to be more careful in future because I actually did just break my rules. Now, it's cool I hit a 1 to 4, right? And I made back my losses. But that's when the emotions start coming in and yeah, I'm not trying to do all that shit. Fucking hell, man. Alright, boys, so to end this trading session off, which, by the way, I'm not actually happy with how I just traded, if I'm honest with you. Taking that 3rd trade, I mean, taking the 2nd trade, bro, it wasn't the best. When I go look over the footage, I didn't trade very well today, even though I've made fucking 1K on that trade. Like, it's cool, and to be profitable, the way I found my success recently is by identifying as someone who cares way more about following the system than they do on the P&L. Even though, yeah, we've come out positive, right? And I'm up 1.3K almost on the day. But because I cheated my system then, and I didn't calculate my trades as well, and then I went for a higher RR to make up for it, I didn't trade as good as I should. And I know that that's the thing that over consistent time and actual, trade after trade, day after day. That's the thing that's going to keep me profitable. But nevertheless, the profit that we just made on the account, I'm now going to go to my broker, FHX. As you can see, the wallet, we obviously have 2.7 in. I'm now going to go to transfers, internal, and straight away I'm taking the profit out of the account and keeping it and bringing it all the way back down to 2K. As you can see, I've done this every session, put the 2K in, withdraw the profits from every single trading session. I don't want my account to be sitting in 3K, 4, 5K, and I can just simply blow it and go until all in one day. I want to be making sure I'm taking my profits. So, withdraw that shit, put it in my wallet, transfer, okay. Boom, transaction complete. And now we have 3.3K in the balance, and I'll be withdrawing the full 10K at the end of the challenge. So we're up 2.7K, bro, in literally 5 trading sessions in less than 72 hours in 3 days. Bro, wait till we start risking $500 a trade, $1,000 a trade, making 3K a fucking session. That's a monthly wage in one trading session when I start risking 1,000. So I'm going to build up to that. For now, I'm just gathering the data and tracking everything, and also avoiding going on tilt and just slowly, gradually building, so I don't have to think I'm risking my entire fucking net worth. But yeah, boys, also, when I do complete this challenge, because I will complete it, I'll make sure I'm going to be open to trading live with a handful of people. Now, if you are interested in this, comment below. Some fucking kid outside yelling. Shut up, dickhead. You alright, Mum? You just finished trading again? You always call me after I finish trading, you don't you?
How did you do it trading?
Just made $600. So today, I've made $1,274. Today, yeah.
1,700. Say that again.
$1,274 I've made today.
Well, do you know what I've just been paid? I've seen my payslip. Do you know how much I got paid into my bank for a month?
How much?
£486.
The whole month?
The whole month, yeah. £486.
That's fucking shit.
And that just, yeah, and I get treated like crap at work. Eat crap stuff to pull me up on for eating a few bloody chocolate sweets.
Yeah, man, so... Well, just know you won't be working that job forever, will you?
I certainly won't, Brandon, no. I mean, this makes sound like you.
Yeah,
Is that again? 1,200 or 700?
1,200. Call it 1.3K.
Oh, gosh.
So basically what I'm doing is I put $2,000 into an account on Wednesday afternoon.
Yeah.
And in the past, so since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now today, Friday, we've made $2,716 in the past 3 days.
My gosh.
Trade. I'm going to start live trading again for people very soon. But I just needed to take a bit of time out from doing it, because I did do it a few months ago, but
yeah.
I needed to get my edge proper locked in before I did it. But I'm going to do it again so people can copy my trades and do exactly what I've just done, literally.
Yeah, that's brilliant, Brandon. Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah. Well, you've nailed it now, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm definitely getting a hold of it. Definitely. I've had literally 0 losing days all this week, and I've had 2 losses the entire month. It's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be like these people scaling big, doing that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's mad, isn't it?
Brilliant. Well done. Brilliant. Fantastic. That's great, yeah?
Yeah. See you soon, Mum.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You see that right there, boys? I just want to touch on this real quick. That right there, forget about making money for you. Forget about making money because you want to watch. Forget about making money because you want to drive a nice car. Forget about making money because you want money. It's got to be bigger than you. There's people in your life right now, or I'm assuming there's people in your life right now, your mum, your dad, friends, family. There's someone in your life right now who you could be helping and changing their life as well as your own. And I don't know about you, but for me, being able to take care of my people is a way bigger motivation than it is for me to be like, oh, I can buy a watch or I can buy a car. Don't get me wrong, I have dreams and aspirations of driving nice cars and having nice, finer things, but the real reason I do all this shit and the real reason I'm going so fucking hard is like not for me. It's not for me, boys. Like genuinely, like the passion I have, the drive, the ambition I have for like doing this shit to take care of my family, my mum, my dad, my girlfriend, and just put everyone around me in a better position is so strong, is what keeps me going. It's just the one thing that makes me like breaking down every fucking obstacle, every barrier, everything that stops me from achieving what it is, whether that's a mindset, an attitude, a problem, something that's stopping me, bro. I will knock it the fuck down because there is no other option than making this shit work, boys. So, yo, boys, I love every single one of you. If you're supporting the channel, big the fuck up, lock the fuck in. If you do want to trade on the same broker, it will be in the description. Been a good week. We're learning a lot of lessons, a lot of growth and progression is happening right now before your very eyes, and I hope you're aware of that, and I hope you're keeping on, because I want to see you all at the top. Besides that, boys, fucking love. Peace.